Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
And welcome back to the 10X Game Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Sunday, May 18th. XRP is at $2.38. It's 10:20 p.m. And let's dive right into the charts. Guys, it's been a minute since I made a video. It's been a few days. Man, I will say this week did not go as planned. Did not go as I thought it would go. Just up and down, up and down. I mean, we've been going up and down for a long time, since December of 24. And here we go, up and down. I know the next leg is coming soon. And, you know, I know I keep saying that, but it really is. Even if we still consolidate sideways, go up and down for a little longer, we are right around the corner to a massive, massive move. Taking a look at the daily, though, we did have a green day. As you can see, man, last week we pumped all the way up to 264. And then within just a few days, we came all the way back down to 230. So we moved 34 cents down to the downside with just a matter of 4 days here. And then Sunday, we did pump up a little bit. And we went all the way up to 244. And here we are. You know, we're a couple hours, 2 hours into the new daily candle. And we're started down. Currently at 238. If we look at the weekly close, you can see we did close a green week here. It is not the green week that we were expecting. Man, I thought we were expecting some serious price action, a massive move higher. But as you can see, we've got this high wick to the upside, and we closed down here at 242. So did not go as expected. We'll have to see what happens. A lot of the times when we get these wicks to the upside like this, these higher wicks with the body closing down, we seem to see the price trickle back down a little bit. Now, I really hope that doesn't happen. I don't want that to happen, obviously, but it is a possibility. So just keeping it short and concise and sweet, our resistance is currently at 260. You can see that clear as day. We've got this green line here. We came up to it, and we got pushed right down from it. So this green line here at 260 is clear resistance. You can see it back here, back here. So it is definitely a strong form of resistance up ahead. So if we do start moving up to the upside again, 260 is the level to watch. We want to close the daily candle above 260 to continue price momentum higher. What we want to watch too is what's coming up if we do continue to go down. We've got support lying at 215. And then the $2 range from there. I don't want to sound like a bear, but it can be possible. If we take a look at this, it's another XRP chart that I've got. Well, you can see this green line here sitting at $2.03. We've got so much support, so many wicks to this line, so many bounces from this line, and yeah, I mean, if we zoom it down a little bit more to the 4 hour. You can see a potential head and shoulders pattern that could be playing out. We've got something like this, left shoulder, head. And then if we continue down and we form this right shoulder here and we break this neckline, that's a bearish pattern. That would send us right back down. Potentially, if we break down from there, right back down to 209, 208. Which is right here at the 208, which is right here at the golden pocket. So that is in the realms of possibility. Of course, we don't want to see XRP move further down. I'm just bringing a realistic approach to things. It's possible. But as you can see, we zoom out a little bit, take it to the daily. That's just a 4 hour pattern. But you can see we clearly broke out of this trend, tested it, and moved up. So we could continue higher here. It could just be slight consolidation sideways, and we continue even higher. So we'll see what happens. We really just got to see how the next couple days react, what the markets want to do. We got some massive things going on this week. We'll get into that in just a minute. But yeah, you know, looking at things, really, you know, when it comes down to it, we've got the 260 range, which is going to be some massive resistance up ahead. Right about there. So we'll keep an eye on that level, 260. And then we'll keep an eye on the 208 and the $2 range if we are deciding to come down. But let's take a look at X. If you guys don't follow me at official NDE. That's at official NDE. So guys, from Austin Hilton, he says tomorrow, Monday, May 19th, will be a big day for XRP. We'll see if this affects the price at all. But breaking, it's official. XRP is coming to CME futures on May 19th. XRP futures will launch on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, one of the most prestigious and globally recognized derivatives markets on the planet. Massive, massive news. And guys, Ripple told us this a decade ago. This was a post from Ripple in 2015 where Ripple said, at the CME group, the Seagate bet on Ripple and the Internet of Value. Ripple Labs raises $28 million. This was a post that Ripple made way back in May of 2015. It's an actual post here. So they told us about this a long, long time ago. Here's one from XRP Update. Boom, CME Group XRP futures go live tomorrow, May 19th. So again, guys, this is massive news. Massive, massive news for XRP. Here's one for from Sean Marks, 7899. Looks like XRP may have deviated from the purple fractal. Let's see if the 2017 fractal will play out. If 2017 fractal plays out, then likely we range sideways for another 40 days or so before a massive breakout into late June, early July. Just playing around with fractals, not financial advice. So, again, he's just looking at the fractal from 2017 when we had the massive, massive move. And so what he's showing is that we could consolidate a little bit more, potentially into July, and then really blast off in July. So it could be another month, could be a little bit more than a month of kind of going down. Like I said, we could come back to that 208 range and just keep consolidating sideways for a little longer. I mean, I want to go up quicker, but we'll see what happens. I know the next imminent move, the next leg, the next massive shoot straight up is going to be happening very, very, very soon. And as you can see, guys, he's got price targets all the way up at $8 and higher than that. You know, so it's with this fractal, just in a matter of a couple days, XRP could easily just shoot straight up. Boom, right up to $5, $6, consolidate for a few days, and then shoot straight up to $10, $12, and then consolidate for a month or two, and then continue even higher. So we're really going to see what's going to happen here in the next couple months. This summer, in my opinion, is going to be massive. I'm super excited for the summertime. But yeah, guys, we'll see what happens tomorrow with the CME futures, XRP going live. Should be nice. Should be pretty cool. But that's it, guys. That's it for tonight. Stay blessed, stay healthy, stay well. I will see you guys in the next one. I'll keep you updated this week and the next couple days or so. Till next time.
Things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen, start your engine.